Good morning friends, and welcome back to a new vlog. Today is Monday, May 10th, and I have quite some things to do today, so I thought I would take you guys along with me for the day. On the agenda is I want to take Alex for a long walk. I also want to do some couple of chores and things around the house, and then I want to unbox my Decor order that arrived. So this video is partly a collaboration with Decor. And then I also have a few new home decor pieces that I want to show you, and I also have to get groceries, so it is going to be a packed and busy day today. It is actually almost 12 o'clock and my mom is going to arrive here any minute now to have some lunch together, and then we're going to take Alex out for a long walk to the beach. Oh, and also I guess this is the first video with my short hair. So I think 2 weeks ago the hairdressers were able to open again in Belgium, and I had an appointment when they had to close, so I had first dibs on a new appointment. So I went in and I cut it really short. It doesn't really look the best right now because I just got out of the shower, and when I have short hair my hair tends to get really curly and just go out like that, which is not really what we're going for. But once it is dry I will straighten it and stuff like that, and it will look a lot better. I'm also just wearing a little bit of concealer, and that is it, and I think that is going to be the look for today. I am just not feeling a full face of makeup right now, so sorry if I don't look my best. But yeah, I am really excited to take you guys along with me for the day. So now I'm just going to take Alex out really quickly because he probably has to pee, and then I'm going to watch some YouTube videos while I wait for my mom to get here.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in all conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting.
Alex!
But then you came along and proved me wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all.
Alright guys, so I just got home from taking my dog and going on a long walk. I am kind of sweaty actually. It is really hot today. They didn't really say it would be, but it is very hot today. And now it is already almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Time flies by way too fast. And as I mentioned, I still have to get some groceries. And then I also want to show you guys some new home decor as well as my Decor order. So I'm going to show you guys some of the new home decor that I got. Some of it is from my own online store. As I mentioned in my, I think it was my second to last vlog, we are adding some more home decor to the store, both in store and online, and I always pick out a few pieces for myself because, as you may know, I just love home decor. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I got and then get some groceries and then do my Decor haul. But before doing the home decor haul, I did want to show you guys what I am wearing today. So this is a new top that I got from Mango. I absolutely adore it. It looks so bohemian. So super happy with it. It was only, I think, 29 euros. So if I can find it still, I will link it down below. And then I am wearing my white pants that I hauled in my spring haul. Taking my dog out to the beach in white pants is not the best move, but I wanted to take some pictures in this outfit. But yeah, note to self, don't wear white pants when this little guy is with me. He loved his walk. He's still very like hectic around other dogs. He jumps and everything like that. But yeah, he is just so happy when he's at the beach. But okay, I'm going to show you guys the home decor now. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to show you is this new mirror. I got it from Maison du Monde. and I just put it on top of this dresser that I have in the living room, and I think it looks so beautiful and it just goes really well with my overall aesthetic. Then I also got this new candle. This is the PF Candle Company Cedar and Sage Brush soy candle. This is actually from my online store as well. And it smells absolutely heavenly. I am just a huge fan of this brand when it comes to candles. I love the packaging. I love the fact that it is soy. And their scents are just amazing. Alright, and then I also have these pieces. So this is just a little tassel that I use as decor to put on a book or something. This is from my store as well. Then this little like tapas bowl, which you can put like a sauce or a snack in. Again, this is also from my online store. It is ceramic and I just think it looks so beautiful. You can also use it for jewelry or anything like that. Then I have this wall hook, which I think I'm going to hang in my hallway. I'm not sure yet, but again, it is from my online store. And then we also have this little bowl, which is a daisy bowl. It is a mother of pearl bowl with brass details, and I just absolutely fell in love with it. It is so beautiful. Words cannot describe how beautiful it is. And then lastly, we have this new vase, which is also from my online store. And then I bought these palm leaves, which if I can find the website, I will link it down below. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you guys is actually in my room. So I don't know if I showed you guys that we hung up this dream catcher. I already hauled it, but we finally hung it up above the bed. And then lastly, I got these new lamps. Again, these are from my online store. They're a brass seashell nightstand lamp with a cotton or linen, I can't remember shade, but I think these look so beautiful. And then these coasters are also new, again from my online store, but I just absolutely adore these. And I just think everything goes really well together. So those are the last pieces that I wanted to show you guys. Very happy about everything, and again, I will have everything linked down below. So I'm currently watching some YouTube videos while I gather the courage to go ahead and get some groceries. But yeah, I'm just enjoying my me time right now because it has been quite hectic with work, and then Alex, our dog, and just our household, and just keeping everything clean. It is a lot of work, so I am just enjoying this half hour that I am taking to myself. And Mr. Alex is chilling in his bench. Even though his bench is open, he just loves chilling in there basically. So yeah, now we both have some time to chill and just enjoy some me time basically. Right? Right? Alex! Even though he can be so hectic and a lot of work, he is just the sweetest boy ever. I love him so much. Alright guys, so I just got home. Again, I am very sweaty and out of breath because I just carried all of the groceries upstairs. But yeah, I'm going to unpack everything now and then show you guys what I got at the grocery store. Okay, this is an overview of everything that I got. I don't even know where to start. Got some toilet paper, some hand cream, some toothpaste, laundry detergent. I got a shampoo and some body wash, rubber bands. This is for my store. And then also some trash bags. This is all from Action, by the way, if you're familiar with Action. Then I got this barbecue kind of sauce. It's honey chipotle. Never tried it, but very curious to try that out. Then I got these pots, again laundry detergent, and then a toy for Alex. So that is everything that I got from Action. And then I also went to the grocery store, got some Starbucks Nespresso coffee. This is the blonde roast. This is my favorite chips, the jalapeno and cheese one. It is so good. It is spicy but very good. Then I also got some strawberries. They're back in season and they are my favorite fruit of all time. Oh, and I forgot these two. I got some hangers from Action, and then also this placemat, which I want to use instead of this one. But moving back to the grocery store, got some Kinder Maxi chocolate, absolutely delicious. Got some eggs, some feta cheese, a sweet potato for Alex. He loves to eat these raw. some veggie salami, and then also some carrots for Alex. Got a lasagna for my boyfriend when he gets home very late from work. He has something to heat up. Some coconut milk for in my coffees in the morning. Then I also got some pre-made pina colada because it is our day off today and tomorrow, so we might just make it all cozy and have some drinks and some snacks. Then I also got some sunflower oil for cooking, some vinegar for in my washing machine, Golden Grahams, my favorite cereal, the Croston ginger beer, I absolutely adore this. We got some veggie sausages for when I want to make hot dogs. Then I also got this hot dip for, again, when we have the pina colada. Got some halloumi. This is my favorite sugar for in my tea. Then I got some vegetarian little, I don't even know what this is. This is like fake chicken, I guess. And then I got these. They looked very good. So the packaging definitely fooled me. I'm very excited to see if they're actually good or not. So I got mango, pineapple, and then also tropical. Then I got Coke Zero for my boyfriend. And then lastly, I got the coconut laundry detergent, and I think, oh, and this is for lunch tomorrow. This is like crunchy goat cheese, and I think that is everything. So now I'm going to put everything in its right place. Then I'll chill for a little bit, go to my parents' house, have some dinner there, and then if I still can, I will show you guys the Desenio haul. But if not, it will still be in this vlog, just filmed on another day. Alright, it's time to unbox my Desenio order. It is a couple of days later. It is actually a week later. It is Monday, May 17th. But I am finally sitting down and taking the time to unbox my Desenio order. It is a huge box, but I am very, very, very excited to see what everything that I ordered looks like in real life. So let's go ahead and open up the box. By the way, Desenio did give me a discount code for you guys. It is Blaise. I will have it on the screen, which will give you 25% of your entire order. As you guys know, I love Desenio. I've worked with them before and I just absolutely love that company. My code is valid until May 27th at midnight. And there is an exception. It is not valid on hand-picked and personalized posters, and also not on their frames. But everything else, you will get 25% off. So let's go ahead and open up what I got. So of course, I got a few frames. I got the 21 by 30 centimeters, and I think I got 2 of those. Let me check. Yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I also got a, this is a 30 by 40 frame, and then I think I have one more 30 by 40 frame, so 2 of each. And then, oh no, hold on, I was joking, there is one more 30 by 40 frames. So I have 3 30 by 40 frames and then 2 21 by 30, yeah. And then I have one very large frame. This is a 50 by 70 frame. So as you guys can see, it is pretty large. So those are all of the frames that I got. So I have 6 in total. So now let's go ahead and see the actual posters. So the posters themselves come packed like this, so you can be sure that they are nice and protected. Alright, oh, this looks so beautiful. I cannot wait. Alright, so for the smallest frames, I have this one, which says happiness comes in waves, which I thought would be very fun for the summertime. So the theme of my posters is definitely more summer appropriate. And then also for in the smaller frame, I have this one, which is just some neutral flowers. But I think these two look very pretty together. And then for in the 3 bigger frames, I have this one. So beautiful. It is like abstract, but I absolutely loved the colors. By the way, I will have a link in my description box where you can find all of the posters that I shared in today's video. And then I also have this bigger one, which is just a picture of the ocean. And then I also have this one, which says bloom with grace. Again, very neutral, but I loved the shadowy details on it. I just think it looks very dreamy. And then lastly, for in the biggest frame, I have this poster, which is just a poster of some seashells. So yeah, needless to say, I am very excited about these posters. I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to put them. And then of course, I'll show you guys what they look like once I styled it and everything. So the smaller posters I am going to put here and just change up the ones that I had previously. Why is it so dark? So these will go right here. Then I think I will put the bigger one either here, or I am debating if I want to put it next to the kitchen right here, but I think I am going to put it here or maybe here. I don't know. So I will have to see where I will put it, but for now I'm going to focus on this corner right here. Also, this is my couch. It is covered in blankets right now because my dog is going on the couch now and he doesn't pee inside the house anymore, but just to be sure, we did put some blankets on the new couch in the meantime. But yeah, I am going to get started on this corner. Alright, unfortunately it's a little bit dark because this is a corner after all, but this is what it looks like and I absolutely love it. So I have the bloom with grace one here at the top and also the colorful one, and then we have the happiness comes in waves, which of course I paired with the one with the ocean and then the flowers, and I think the little seashell tassel looks really good with all of them. And then for the time being I just put the big one right here, which I think I want to eventually hang right here, but I do need someone to help me with that. But yeah, so far this is what I have and I think it looks very beautiful. Again, if you use my code Blaise, you will get 25% off. And as I mentioned before, this is not the first time that I've worked with Decor, but I just absolutely adore their selection of posters. And that is actually going to wrap up this vlog. I hope you really enjoyed it. I absolutely loved filming it. I love you and I'll see you all in the next video. Mwah.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing.